Are you a medical student looking to sit in the UK Medical Licensing Assessment, which is also known as the UKMLA Exam? Then this video is for you. We will discuss the format of the test, what topics it covers, and how to revise for it. The UK Medical Licensing Assessment UKMLA is a new examination that will be available in early 2024. The UKMLA will replace the current Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board exam, also known as the PLAB exam, and all UK medical students will also be required to take the exam to graduate. If you intend to practice medicine in the United Kingdom, it is critical to understand the UKMLA and how to prepare for it. GMC is planning to maintain high standards for UK medical students, and guarantee that they are adequately equipped to practice medicine in the UK. Currently, GMC is responsible for the PLAB exam, for which we at Medivisions provide an outstanding question bank and notes that have helped thousands of doctors pass on their first attempt. Also, let's discuss the format of the UKMLA test and how will it function. The UKMLA is a two-part assessment exam like the PLAB exam. First part is called Applied Knowledge Test, also known as AKT, and the second part is called Clinical and Professional Skills Assessment, also known as CPSA. Well, both components will assess a range of knowledge and competencies mentioned in the MLA syllabus, also known as the MLA content map, which is similar to the PLAB 1 exam. So what is the format of Applied Knowledge Test? GMC states, the Applied Knowledge Test will be similar to the current PLAB 1 exam. It will be composed of single best answer questions. This exam will be the same for all UK students and international medical graduates. The test will run 4 times a year for international candidates at several locations worldwide. For UK students, AKT will replace the medical school final exam. Thousands of past PLAB 1 candidates have used our resource as their primary study material and aced their exams. Moreover, UKMLA will be a computer-based exam. Unlike the paper-based PLAB 1 exam, this should help you immensely as you will be able to save time during the exam since it will be similar to using our platform. Well, regarding the CPSA exam. CPSA exam will be similar to PLAB 2, which is an objective structured clinical examination exam and will take place at GMC Clinical Assessment Centre in Manchester. Don't forget to like and share the video and follow us on our social media platforms to get access to free content and notified when we release the UKMLA exam service.